Hi guys, welcome to our channel Gargs and J. Here we share simple and some mouth-watering recipes on weekly basis. We are all well aware that Durga Puja is round the corner and we just can't keep calm. A traditional Bengali meal comprises at least 5 elaborated courses starting with some bitter dish to cleanse your palate and ending with a sweet note with some milk-based sweets or dessert. Shukto is also a culinary experience for whoever eats it and a culinary achievement for whoever cooks it. In fact, a Bengali cook is judged by his or her Shukto preparation. So let's get started with our version of Shukto.
So all we need are these veggies. Sweet potato is mandatory. We didn't have it, so we used Arbi instead of sweet potato. And we have to mix 1 tablespoon of mustard poppy seed powder in 50 ml of hot water and a dash of salt. You can prepare the mixture if you don't have this ready-made powder. You can overnight you can keep mustard seeds as well as some poppy seeds, and you can grind it the next day and prepare the same. Now heat the wok and add some handful of bori and make sure you can cook it till it turns brown, golden brown. We are not going to fry these boris in oil because they absorb too much of oil and which we don't want. Our main aim is to prepare shukto with minimal amount of oil. Now we will take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and we'll add some bitter gourds and we'll fry it till it turns golden brown. If we fry this bitter gourds, we'll see that the bitterness is slightly removed while frying. That's why we fried it. It gives a slight bitter taste. Now it's time to take it out in a separate bowl and we'll fry some rest of the prepared veggies to give it a tinge of flavor. Two tablespoons of mustard oil is the only amount of oil we are going to take. We are not going to add any more oil to it to prepare shukto. It's going to be a healthy meal for you guys and for us as well. Now we'll add some raw banana and we'll fry it till it turns brown. Make sure you fry this in like medium to high flame. Now you can see that they have slightly changed their color. They are golden brown in color now. Now we'll drain the oil. We'll keep the fried raw banana aside. Now we'll add some potatoes and arbi and we'll fry them in a similar manner till it turns golden brown. We didn't have any sweet potato at our place, so we thought of giving it a try with Arbi. But make sure you get some sweet potatoes. It will add up a good taste to the shukto. Now we'll again drain the oil, and we'll keep it aside in a bowl. Now we'll get it started with the main procedure to prepare shukto now. Now we'll add panch phoron, 1 tablespoon of panch phoron, and the ingredients of panch phoron are mentioned in this video. Make sure you add panch phoron because it gives a very delightful taste to the shukto. Now it's time to add all raw veggies which are left. And we'll cook it till it turns soft. Yeah, we should mention before adding panch phoron, you should add chopped ginger. It's very necessary. I just forgot that. So make sure you add panch phoron as well as some ginger paste or chopped ginger. Now mix it properly. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Make sure you don't add too much of haldi because shukto should be a bit of, whitish in color. Creamy color should be there. Now we'll cover it for a while and we'll cook in medium flame for 5 minutes until it turns a bit soft. Veggies are cooked well. Now it's time to add fried veggies. We just kept it aside, you know that. Now it's time to add some fried veggies and we'll mix it properly. Now it's time to add that mustard poppy seed mixture. Give it a good mix. Now you can see that the veggies are almost cooked. Now time to add some fried boris. Give it a good mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar for taste and 50 ml of milk. Milk is one important ingredient here, so make sure you add milk. It adds up that creamy taste to shukto. Allow it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 50 ml of water to it and check if the salt is sufficient. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed Radhuni for enhancing the taste. Radhuni should be added in the last portion while preparing shukto. And my touch, here comes my touch. I added a dash of Kasuri Methi. you can add it too, and just send me the reviews how it tastes like. And now our shukto is ready.
The shukto is looking really yummy and creamy, isn't it? Can you just imagine we made it with just 2 tablespoons of oil. We mostly prepare the shukto a bit more extra so that we can consume it for 2-3 days continuously. We hope you liked the recipe. Do subscribe to our channel for more such yummy recipes. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We are also live on Instagram and Twitter, and the user IDs are mentioned in the video itself. We hope to meet again next week with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.